Yes, hello everyone. Namaste to all of you and welcome in Yoga Academy. I'm Master Jay here and today making this video regarding my new upcoming course. That one is Yttc 500 hours. So yes everyone, I'm going to start my yoga teacher training course. So it's a international certified course and behalf of this certificate you can work as a yoga teacher in India or outside India in another country. So if you are planning to go to abroad and if you want to settle down there, so then also you can do this course and you can work there professionally as a yoga teacher. So this is a special Yttc because I designed this. Normally you will find another place they are doing the teacher training courses, they are focused more onto the theoretical part. We also do theory part, but we focus more onto the practice part and to the teaching methodology part. So as a yoga teacher, you should know how to teach a class with a proper breathing, with a proper alignment, with a proper technique. So that thing we will teach you every day. So in this special Yttc, we will teach you different styles of yoga like the Ashtanga yoga, power yoga, vinyasa yoga, hatha yoga, yin yoga, shwananda yoga and some more important styles of yoga. We will teach you how you can use props, how you can use block, how you can use the strap in your practice and you can increase flexibility with that. How to do yoga with a stick, how to do yoga with ball, how to do yoga with wheel, diwar ke saath, how to do yoga with wall, like all the advanced poses we will teach you. How you can increase your flexibility about your back, how you can increase your flexibility about your hip, how you can do the inversion poses, headstand, handstand, on the arm balancing and the shoulder opening, different things we will teach you in this one course. Also we are going to teach you like the prenatal yoga. So if someone is like the pregnant woman, so how you can give the training, what type of training you can give, what type of poses you need to be precautions, so everything about the therapy yoga, different kind of disease if someone have, like someone have arthritis, diabetes, obesity, back pain, shoulder pain, knee pain, arthritis. So we will teach you what type of training you need to give to them. And we will teach you the pranayama, all the breathing techniques, Shatkarma like the Jalaneti, Sutraneti. We will teach you about the Kunjal, Shankparshalan and detox classes we will teach you. So all these things in single course. So guys, please join this course and it's a very special course. All the chakras, mudras, bandha practice, the main basic to the advanced level. All the things you can learn in this course. So please join this course and if you have any query, if you want to know something, you can message me on my WhatsApp. It's 8307300835. You can go to my website www.jyogaacademy.com and you can book your seat because this course is going to start very soon. And if you want something installment facility also will give you. If you want recording facility, that one also will give you. So I want to give all the sports for you. So you will find a lot of persons who is giving this training, but Yoga training, that one is very special because we have a special experience. We have international experience, international style, so we will teach you like everything in a flow and very smoothly way. I already done a lot of Yttc. I already trained a lot of students from India, from outside India also. So please come to me and join this Yttc. This is a very good decision for you, for your life, for your career. So please join this and message me. Waiting for you guys. Start all the classes. It's my guarantee I will make you a very good yoga teacher. So thank you so much guys and message me as soon as possible. Namaste. Hari Om.